Today we're introducing the Saddlebag lid kit for 98 through 2013 Road Glide, Street Glide, Ultra, and Road Kings. So this is our kit for the 1998 through 2013 5x7 and 6x9 lids. Works with the factory lids, works with aftermarket replica type lids. This particular lid that I have here is one of the Velocity lids from American Hardbag with the Velocity overdrive speaker system in it. So we have a full 6x9 and a 5x7 lid. It's really how we prefer to do it around here. The largest piece in this kit here is got the holes already cut out for where the fasteners inside of the lid go. And you simply center it over those holes and get this little half moon piece up around the speaker, just like that. Got this looking piece here that goes on this inside edge. That's going to stick in there just like that. Then along this edge, we've got a larger piece. So I'm actually going to take this 6x9 off so that I can get my fingers in there. Just like that. Pieces go in there. And this is the last piece that we have. It's going to go up inside of here. Just like that. Adding a SoundSkins kit to your bags and lids is a great way to make them perform better as speaker enclosures. All the performance that you want is there. You've just got to find it, and here's how you do it. After installing SoundSkins, you'll immediately notice that the speakers sound more solid instead of hollow and distanced. Lowering the vibration on the surface of any speaker enclosure increases the speaker's efficiency and allows the speaker to do exactly what it was designed to do, project sound directly at the listener. To see our full lineup of Harley Davidson motorcycle sound deadening kits, you can visit SoundSkinsGlobal.com or AmericanHardbag.com. Thanks for watching and ride safe.